Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, my YouTube friends. How are you? Let's learn question answers. What happened to you? What happened to you? I am sick or I am ill. Next question is, can you paint the wall? Can you paint the wall? Yes, I'm a painter. Yes, I'm a painter. Please subscribe the channel or like the video, and if you want to ask me anything, just put that thing in the comment section. Can you buy vegetables for me? Sure, why not? Do you find it pretty? Do you find it pretty? Yes, it's really beautiful. Yes, it's really beautiful. Which ride would you like to take? Which ride would you like to take? We like roller coaster, or we love to take roller coaster. Whose bag is this? Whose bag is this? It's mine. Or you can say, this is my bag, or it belongs to me. What's going on? What is going on? I am really happy. I am really happy. Which season do you like most? Which season do you like most? I like spring more. Where are you going? I am going to watch movie. I am going to watch movie. Which is your favorite animal? Which is your favorite animal? Dogs and puppies are my favorite. Which hairstyle do you want? Which hairstyle do you want? I like braids. I like braids. Have you gone mad? Have you gone mad? Yes, because of him. Yes, because of him. Can you please get inside? Let us play a bit more. Let us play a bit more. Why have you come early? Why have you come early? I have called it a day. I have called it a day. Why are you so talkative? Why are you so talkative? Because I like to talk. Thank you so much for watching this. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.